Hey guys, Jacob here. It is Taco Tuesday, and that means that we need some margaritas, of course. So wife has put me on margarita duty. I'm gonna be using the Nutribullet, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly how this looks as we're making this. But if you've never heard of calamansi before, that's the actual sweetener and flavor we're going for. It's a lemon lime mixture, famous in the Philippines, very high in vitamin C, and that's where we're gonna be. Actually, I've already put it in there with some ice, some water, and some adult liqueur as well. Let's mix it up. So the Nutribullet does have 4 different speeds: low, medium, high, and pulse. Here's what the low looks like. You have to turn it on first. A little bit more liquid, probably add a little bit more calamansi juice and water. But I love how the Nutribullet does have a maximum capacity of 64 ounces or 8 cups. It does have a top here that you can remove and actually put in different fruits. You can put in more liquid from here without pulling off the entire lid from the blender. It does have a comfortable handle here that's easy to actually pick up and move around, obviously. And with the Nutribullet, they do have grips down on the bottom so that it's not moving on your countertop. So it does have a good appearance overall. Looks nice on the countertop and looks good with other stainless steel appliances, black appliances. All right, and here is the moment of truth. The consistency of the margaritas. You can see this is a perfect consistent blend. Nice slushy, icy consistency. This ain't on the rocks. This is a frozen margarita. Blended, looks amazing. Let's go ahead and pour it into the glasses. So this part just attaches by just twisting it on and off, and you can feel it lock into place. Super easy to use, and it's very compact when it comes to actually storing if you're not going to keep it on your countertop.